Hello children, how are you dear? Okay, today's session we are going to learn about state and our country. Okay, okay dear. In the previous class we learnt about our home, isn't it? Okay children. Children, now you say, what is our state? Children, which is our state? Very good children. Our state is Tamil Nadu. Our state is Tamil Nadu. Excellent answer. Okay dear. Our state is Tamil Nadu. Okay. Which is our town? Children, think and say the answer. Which is our town? Very nice. Trichy. Okay dear. Children. Okay. The next one. How many states are there in our country? Anybody say? How many states in our country? Very good children. There are 29 states. Okay dear. Children. Now we see one game. Let us see. Okay dear. I introduce the one game. Let us play. Okay. When I say 1, 2, 3 at the time, you touch your hand this place and this place. When I say 7 at the time, don't touch. You touch here only. Don't say the number. Don't say the number. Okay dear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't say the number. Okay dear. Very good children. Now let us see the lesson. Okay ma'am. Children, now look at the board. My state. Say the word my state. Which is our state? Very nice. Tamil Nadu. Say the word Tamil Nadu. Children say Tamil Nadu. Okay dear. How many states in our country? How many states are there in our country? There are 29 states. How many states? 29 states. How many states? 29 states. How many states here? 29 states in our country. There are 29 states. There are 29 states in our country. Okay dear? Okay children. A state has many towns. Say the word towns. A state has many towns. A state has many towns. A state My town is in my state. A state has many towns. A state has many towns. Again I read. A state has many towns. Okay dear? Okay children. The next one is our country. Which is our country? Very nice. Very good answer. Our country is India. Our country is India. It has many states. It has many states. My state is in my country. My state is in my country. My state Tamil Nadu is in my country. This is my country. Listen children. Children, look at this. What is this? This is my country. This is my country. What is this? Very good. What country ma? India. India is our country. Which is our country? India is our country. Okay? Okay dear. You can see from this picture. Sorry, from this map. This is one of the state. This is one of the state. We are living here. We are living here. This is one of the state. This is one of the state. This is one of the state. This is Kerala. This one is Karnataka. This one is Andhra Pradesh. This is Telangana. This is Maharashtra. There are totally 29 states in our country. How many states? Children say. Very good. Very nice. 29 states. Okay dear. How many states in our country? There are 29 states. There are 29 states. What is this picture? Very nice. It is our country map. Okay. Which is our country? India. Our country is India. Our country is India. Okay dear? Children, look at this map. What do you see in this map? Very nice. We see our state. Our state also have many districts, many towns. Okay? Okay dear. We can easily understand. We have many districts. What is this map? Very nice. Tamil Nadu map. This map is Tamil Nadu state. What state ma? Tamil Nadu. We are living in Tamil Nadu. We are living in Tamil Nadu. Okay dear? Okay children. Children, now look at the slide. Children, you identify our town. You identify our town in this map. Children, see. Can you see ma? Okay dear. What is our town? Tiruchirappalli. Listen the slide. We can easily understand. Okay dear? Okay children. Children, now take your worksheet. Now take your worksheet. I give you time. Let's count the numbers. Okay dear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now ready? Okay dear. Okay? Students, now look at the board. First one is fill in the blanks. First one is in the blanks. Children, listen the worksheet. Roman letter first one. Worksheet number 8. Worksheet number 8. My town and country. My town and country. First one is fill in the blanks. Option A. The name of my town. The name of my town is. The name of my town is what, dear? Very good, children. Trichy. Okay? Okay, dear. Then next one. The name of my state. The name of my state. Which is our state? Children, think and say the answer. Very good. Very nice answer. Tamil Nadu. What, ma? Tamil Nadu. The name of my state. The name of my state. The name of my state is what, ma? Tamil Nadu. Children, look at the board and write it. Tamil Nadu, say the spelling. T-A-M-I-L-N-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. T-A-M-I-L-N-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. The name of my state is what, dear? Tamil Nadu. Okay? Okay, children. Let us go next one. Children, the next one is the name of our country. The name of our country. Which is our country? Children, think and say the answer. Very nice. Excellent answer. Our country is India. Our country is India. The name of our country is India. Children, write. First letter, capital. The name of our country is India. The name of our country is India. Students, follow this mark. I give you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay, children. Children, now look at the board. In the India map, this is our state. This is our state. You take your worksheet and you write here. What is our state? Tamil Nadu. Students, write, ma. Tamil Nadu. The next one is on the map of India given below. First one is color and label the state you live in. Student, here you write the name. What is our which is our state? Which is our state? Tamil Nadu is our state. You write here Tamil Nadu. Then you have to fill the color. Children, I give you time. Color our state. Color our state. Fill our state name. Here you fill the color. What is the state? Tamil Nadu. Children, now you mark here this place. You write Tiruchirappalli or Trichy. Okay? Okay, dear. Here. Children, did you understand, ma? Can you understand, dear? Okay. Let us go next one. Okay, dear. Children, look at this slide. Can you identify our state? Okay, dear. Bottom of the place in the map, we can easily find out right side of the place. What state? Tamil Nadu. We are living in Tamil Nadu. Okay? Okay, dear. Next one is our national symbols. Let us learn about national symbols. Let us learn about national symbols. Okay, dear. Children, say, what is our national bird? Very good, children. Peacock. What is our national bird? Peacock. Children, now you take one note. Let us draw peacock. Okay, dear. Now you take one note. You draw like this. Then you have to draw one circle. You draw like this. Children, now look at the board. First one, you draw by 2. Then you have to join this one. Left side, you draw on the here just like V. Then you have to draw another one line. You draw like this. Then you have to get shape of peacock. Here, like here, 0. You draw. Always I draw. You also look at the picture and draw. Okay? Okay, here. What is this? Very nice. Our national bird. Do you like national bird? Children, do you like national bird? Okay, dear. I know you like national bird. Here you write national bird. What is this? Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Okay, children. The next one is, what is our national animal? Anybody say? Very good. Tiger is our national animal. The next one, what is our national tree? Very nice. Very good, children. Banyan tree is our national tree. Okay, dear. The next one, what is our national anthem? In our prayer in school, we sing Children say, very good, very nice answer. Janagana Mana. We sing during the prayer. Okay, dear? Okay, children. The next one. Children, what is our national song? Think and say. Very nice. Excellent answer. Vande Mataram. What dear? Vande Mataram. Okay. The next one is, what is our national currency? What is our national currency? You know. Okay. Our national currency is rupee. Our national currency is rupee. Children, look at this. Our national rupee. Our national rupee. Okay? Okay, dear. Our national currency is rupee. Our national currency is rupee. What is our national currency? Our national currency is rupee. Okay? Okay, dear. Then, what is our national flag? Children say, very nice, very good answer. Tiranga is our national flag. Okay? Okay, dear. Children, next one. Say, which is our country? Very nice answer. Our country is India. Okay, dear. Then, what's the capital of our country? Children, anybody say? Very nice answer. New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of our country. New Delhi is the capital of our country. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Children, now look at the slide. Our national symbols. Our national symbols, each of us is unique. Okay? We have national symbols. We have national symbols. Our national anthem is Janagana Mana. Our national anthem is Janagana Mana. Then, New Delhi is the national capital of India. New Delhi is the national capital of India. Then, Tiranga is our national flag. Tiranga is our national flag. Children, look at this picture. From this, you can easily understand. Okay? Okay, dear. You can easily understand from this picture what is our national animal. Very nice, very good answer. Tiger is our national animal. And then, what is our national fruit? Very good answer. Mango. And then, what is our national fruit? Lotus. Okay, dear? Do you like lotus? Okay, okay. Okay, children. Children, our national currency is rupee. Our national currency is rupee. Our national currency is rupee. Then, you can easily understand from this slide. Okay, dear? Okay, children. What is our national language? Very good answer. Our national language is Hindi. Our national language are Hindi and English. Our official language are Hindi and English. Okay, dear? Okay, children. Then tiger is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal of India. Tiger is national animal of our India. The next one, you can easily understand from this picture. What is this? Tiger. Okay dear? Okay children. Which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. National bird of India is peacock. Okay? Okay dear. Do you like peacock? Okay. You like peacock. Okay children. The next one is, where do we live children? Very nice, very good answer. We live on earth. Our country, India, is on the earth. There are many other countries like India on the earth. Okay? Okay dear. What is this children? Very nice, very good answer. Blue. It is the model of the earth. It is the model of the earth. It is the model of the earth. We are living on the earth. Children, now look at the board. What is this? Our home. What is this? Our home. Our home is in our town. Our home is in our town. Our home is in our town. The next one is, our town is in our state. Our town is located in our state. Our town is located in our state. Then our state is located in our country. Our state is located in our country, India. What is our country? India. What is our country? India. Very nice, very good answer. Okay dear. India is on the earth. India is on the earth. Okay dear? Okay children. What is earth? Earth is one of the planet. This planet only exists on water and air. So it is called a watery planet. So it is called a watery planet and living planet. Okay dear? Okay children. Children again, look at this. What is this? Our home. Our home is in our town. Our home is in our town. Our town is in our state. Our town is located in our state. Then our state is located in our country. Okay dear? Then our country, India, is on the earth. Okay? Now look at the slide. Children, look at the slide. Our home is in our town. Our town is in our state. Our state is in India. Our country. Okay dear? Okay children. India is on the earth. India is on the earth. Okay dear? Okay children. Children, now homework session for you. Take your worksheet number 10. All about my country. You do the homework. This is the homework for you. Worksheet number 10. Page number 83. Let us go. Okay children. Children, thank you children.